So, I'm fishing with Derek today. We're in the beautiful Frankston. What's the date today? Is it the 6th? 6th of November. Pretty rough condition. High tide just passed for an hour. Action is really hot. Today we're targeting for snapper, and we are going to fish with this guy. This is a 4-inch Berkley Gulp pumpkin seed minnow with 1/6 Gamakatsu jig head. This is my favorite rod, Nitro. Have 6 pounds main line and 16 pounds fluorocarbon leader. And this is a Luvius 2500 size reel. How many fish have you got, Derek?
Only got one at the moment, mate.
Alright, let's check it out. This is what we have got so far. Ooh, it's very lively. Alright.
I'm changing the lure.
Changing. I think anything will work today. Alright, let's see the next time you see us. Maybe we should get into some action.